What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. I told you guys we're going to be out here at the track. We are getting ready to do the very first run. Hopefully this is a good GoPro angle for you guys. I tried to set it up a little bit differently than I did last time. This is going to be a super tough track, but I'm super excited. Got the new sticky tires on here. So let's send it and see how we do. I should have downshifted. .5754. I think that would have been way faster if I had gone ahead and downshifted into first, but man, those tires are such a big improvement. Dude, that was awesome. Holy crap. That's an awesome track. That's pretty fast. That's pretty good. I'm happy with that. 5754. Guys, getting ready for the second run of the day.
Do 2 in a row, okay?
Sweet. Let's go. Way faster. Let's go. Man, those tires feel good. They're so sticky I can almost lock up the brakes too. Woo! That was fun. 54, dude. That's pretty nuts, dude. I actually might be a little bit competitive now in this class. Let's go, dude. Hell yeah. All right, third run of the day, baby. Let's go. I got a 54. Hopefully this is better than the last. Come on, tires, let's go. Come on. couple spots that I messed up in, but. All right, so I know my phone is completely destroyed, but the fastest guy in our class is running a 49.8, dude. I got a lot of progress to make.
New shoes and then doesn't wear them. You've got new shoes. You're still wearing the old ones.
I'm homeless.
Still got the broken phone, like driving a 400 wheel.
bought a race car, but can't afford a new phone. Car life. All right, so I am in 12th place right now. I ran a 57.54, and then my boy Austin ran a 59.6, and then Dale's slow ass. No, I'm just kidding. No, he ran. Let's see.
No turbo life.
So Dale, he's right there. He ran a 62.95, so he's in 11th. So he's actually doing pretty good.
Just kind of slidely.
So we're getting ready to do our next run here in a few minutes. It's actually going way faster today than it is last time. So super excited. We get to do 2 runs back to back. So I'm gonna have this camera mounted right here, and then I'll have the point of view again for you guys. So hopefully you guys enjoy those angles. If you guys wanna see different angles next time, let me know down in the comments below. All right guys, so this is gonna be our 4th and 5th run. I did a 54.3, so if I can beat that, I will be super happy with it. If I can get into the 53s, that'll be about 4 seconds off from the fastest guy. So if I can hit that, I'll be super happy. So let's see how the 4th and the 5th go. That was not bad at all. I think that was about the same as my last one, so I should have downshifted into first on that one part because I bogged really hard, which I'm sure is what slowed me down a ton, but not terrible. Not terrible at all. Let's see if we can, if I can get a 53, I'll be super duper happy. Man, this car is, holy crap, this thing is fast, dude. Oh my Lord. Woo! Such a gnarly lap, holy crap, dude. Woo! 53, let's go, baby. Woo! Oh, that was sick, dude. That was probably the gnarliest lap I've had, dude. Oh my god. I thought that was gonna be super slow, but I launched pretty good. Honestly, wasn't as smooth as I wanted to be, but I kind of nailed that second to first on that super sharp corner, and whoo, that was sick. Let's go, boys. Dude, I got a 53, bro.
I saw that. Nice.
Holy shit, dude. That was so sick. That was probably my like worst run, like as far as smoothness, but bro, I was just chucking it and like fighting the steering wheel the whole time. That was so fun. How'd you do?
Best I could do was a 55 too.
That's still good. Especially with the tires, dude. That's
tire chunks inside the car.
really? Damn. Wait, you got a what? A tire chunk, you said?
Yeah, it's kicking up tire chunks inside.
You
can tell that 5th run was so much fun. That was my fastest run. I am so happy with the tires for 500 bucks. The Firestone Firehawk Indy 500s are incredible, so I highly recommend them. Tons of grip. They're a 340 treadwear, so they're gonna last a long time. You guys can look up the reviews. Super sticky, brakes feel great. But yeah, I did a 53.07, so stoked about that. I improved almost every single lap but the 3rd. We're about to do some fun runs once they finish with the rest of the classes, but we're still waiting on RB to finish up because they do 2 runs back to back. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video so far. Leave a like if you do. They're some of my favorite videos to film. So if you guys like the video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll keep posting these videos. One run I didn't film, I just literally almost smashed a wall. I sent it way too hard. The one run that I wanted to film and didn't, because I was like, oh, this is just gonna be a fun run. I don't need to film it. Came in way too hot, lost the back end, tried to counter steer into it, and was like probably less than 10 feet away from a wall. So that was terrifying, but I didn't get it on camera, dang it. But you guys can see the tires. I mean, we were like in the grass, just sliding. I mean, you can probably see there's just crap all over. I mean, that was that sketchy, Austin?
Yeah.
A little?
It wasn't until I saw the wall.
Yeah, the wall got a little scary. Dang it, guys. I would say I'll do it again, but probably not.
Going for a ride in the Evo 9. Dude, that's nuts, bro. Oh my god, that Evo 9 is ridiculous. I think his is faster than mine. I want to race him sometime soon. If you guys want to see the race of the Evo 9 MR versus mine, let me know. Dang, it's fast.
Go for it.
Dude, I have so much grip. It blows my mind. I'm like, dude, lose traction, lose traction. Nope.
Just keeps holding. Like
I did. I mean, the rear did pop out a bit, but
yeah, you could feel it a couple times.
You saved that pretty quick.
Until next time, PPIR, we're heading out. Austin's a savage, dude. Hey, that's my buddy in the GTR up there. I actually met them last week at a car meet. He's actually the one with the Evo that's over 800 wheel horsepower.
Alright guys, so the day is done. I'm finally back home in the garage and I am exhausted. That was a super long day at the track. Well, not long day, but pretty intense day. And then I spun my car, almost hit the wall, which was really scary. And that was the one time I didn't press record, but I promise you guys I did. It probably wouldn't have even looked that cool on camera, but I was about 10 feet away from a wall. Kind of sketchy. A lot of fun though. These tires are way better than the all seasons I had before. So if you guys like this video, make sure you let me know down in the comments below. Leave me a like, subscribe to the channel. Let me know what you guys want to see next video, and I will catch you guys next time.